Hello, we are Fast Data Limited, a small consultancy company. My name is Radek, and this is Marta. In Scottish mythology, wisps are spark-like magical creatures that lead travelers to things that could change their destiny. They are just like lighthouses that lead the ship safely to their destination. Lighthouse is often used as a metaphor to describe beacon devices, a technology that companies like Apple and Google are investing in, with iBeacon and Google Beacon Edison projects. In this hackathon, we've explored this concept and how it can benefit local businesses, and created a microservice using recommendation models built with Apache Spark from the rich Yelp dataset. What if we treated customer smartphones as beacon devices? Then businesses would get notified of any customers present nearby. They could use recommendation engine to select those most likely to enjoy their service and send them targeted offers. As a result, generate more sales. On the other hand, customers in need of any specific service would benefit from personalized, context-aware recommendations and thus enjoy the best available service. We split the project into three phases. First, we analyzed Yelp business user and review data. Then, we built a recommendation web service. And then, we tested its portability and stability. We started by doing exploratory data analysis of the Yelp dataset. Then, we came up with a testing strategy and later built and evaluated several models with collaborative filtering. As our tool, we used IBM Data Science Experience. And we also share a summary notebook. Our best model achieved root mean square error of 1.0992. The problem we are trying to solve is quite similar to the one of Netflix, where users can also give ratings from 1 to 5 stars. Not surprisingly, the winners of $1 million Netflix prize achieved a slightly better model than us. We've exported the best models from Spark and used them inside of the Play web service package inside of a Docker container. As part of the service, we exposed 3 REST endpoints, which are easy to integrate into smartphone apps, websites, or other web services. As the service is stateless, it can scale linearly just by adding more nodes and load balancing. To prove its fitness of production, we first ran it in the AWS with Docker Clouds. And then we ran exactly the same image inside of the Bluemix container service. As the latter had quicker response times, we ran some performance and stability tests against it with the Gatton Stress tool. We created data feeders for our 3 main use cases and ran 10,000 requests per each in parallel. The service easily handled 40 concurrent users when running on a single machine. Even though we performed the test from our laptop, we still achieved 99% of response times in under 436 milliseconds. The web service is provided on iWisps.com and hosted on Bluemix. Instead of building a website for the demo purposes, we're using Swagger, which serves as documentation and enables interactive exploration of the REST endpoints. For the demo, we focused on the city of Edinburgh, where we currently live. Let's assume that we've already implemented iWisps smartphone app, able to act as beacon and integrated with the microservice. In the first use case, business owners can check which of the nearby users are most likely to rate their business highly and send them customized offers. Let's see this in action. We are using the business endpoint first, selecting one particular merchant and a whole bunch of different user IDs who are nearby. As a result, we get details of the most recommended users. At this point, the business owner can make a targeted offer. In a second use case, we have a user who would like to eat a specific type of food. So let's select Aaron, category Thai, and limit to top 5 personalized recommendations. Now, let's select the restaurant which is the closest, and suggest it to the user. In a third use case, one can use a category endpoint to receive best recommendations per service type required. We encourage you to explore it for yourself. Thanks for your attention, and we hope that you enjoyed this presentation.